In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add two-column signature in Pandadoc. Let's get started by opening the document where you want to place your signatures. Once you're in the editor, look over to the right-hand side of your screen. You'll see the Content panel, which is where all of your fields and elements live. This is where you'll find the signature field that we'll be using. First, we're going to add the initial signature. From that Content panel, click and drag a signature field directly onto your document. Drop it roughly where you want the first signer to sign. Don't worry about getting the exact position perfect yet. We'll be adjusting the layout in a moment. The important thing is just getting that first field on the page. Next, we'll add the second signature so it appears side by side with the first one. Again, go back to the Content panel and drag another signature field onto the document. This time, instead of placing it below or far away, move it carefully toward the right edge of the first signature field. As you hover near the right side, pay close attention to the visual guides that Pandadoc shows you. When you're in the correct spot, you'll see a vertical blue line appear between the two fields. That vertical blue line is Pandadoc's way of telling you it's about to create a new column. Once you see that line, go ahead and release the mouse. The second signature will snap into place, forming a neat two-column layout with the first signature on the left and the second on the right. Now that both signature fields are positioned, you need to assign them to the correct people. Click on the first signature field. A small floating menu will appear next to it. In that menu, choose the appropriate recipient or role so Pandadoc knows who is supposed to sign there. Then do the same thing with the second signature field, assigning it to a different recipient or role if needed. This step is crucial for routing and for making sure each person sees only their own signature box. Finally, you can adjust the width of each column so the signatures look balanced. Hover your mouse between the two signature fields and you'll notice a thin divider line appear. Click and drag that divider left or right to resize the columns until you're happy with how they look. Release the mouse to set the final layout, and that's all you need to create a clean, two-column signature layout in Pandadoc.